Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
We'll go through one more section, say taxes. It's a small section. We'll stop there and tomorrow we'll go through the transactions, item, inventory and other stuff because these two sections are a bit big, similar to company and accounting, and the other things are a bit smaller. We'll be able to complete, maybe by tomorrow, this enable features section. Let's go through the tax. In case if we are using advanced taxes, we can enable this checkbox. Apart from that, there are various suite apps available, international tax reports. In case some countries have VAT, some have GST, some have some other reports. In case if we have multiple subsidiaries and if we want to have multi, you can say international tax reports. We can install this particular suite app. Similarly, withholding tax. This withholding tax is generally used in some countries and not all. For example, in India, we have the withholding tax. In Brazil, we have withholding tax. In case if we have any subsidiaries there, we can install this particular suite app. Similarly, tax audit files added. In case if we want to use these any additional suite apps, we can go ahead and use those. Have you till now? It depends whether it's a managed suite app or a third-party suite app. If it is already provided by NetSuite and in case if there are any amendments, NetSuite takes care of it. In case if there are third-party suite apps, those third party takes care of it and they make those changes or amendments available. Whether they are available whenever they are introduced, it depends or it might take some time to get those things introduced. I know these are a bit heavy topics. It's a bit difficult to digest everything in one session. That's the reason we'll divide this accounting preferences, or you can say the enable features, into two sessions. We have completed today company accounting and taxes. Tomorrow we'll complete the other subtabs or the other sections. And then we'll start off with the accounting preferences. I'm going a bit slow on this. I want to, you can say, give maximum time on this. Maybe I will require 2 to 3 sessions to complete these enable features and accounting preferences. Any questions apart from these queries? You can go through that all this stuff at your end. And in case if you have any queries, you can get back to me. I will discuss those during tomorrow's session. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.